Hello, good evening everyone. I have just finished my airbrushing techniques. This was the first project using the airbrush technique, and I've used the airbrush setup with Vallejo Model Air airbrush set, and it seems to have worked out pretty well here. Look at the roof details, and the effect is looking pretty well done here. Let's look under some yellow lighting here. So this is how the weathering looks from up close. So some of it is left, so stay tuned as I continue my project further. Bye.